I'm not in the UK, can I still purchase a rig? The simple answer is yes. We ship worldwide. We have clients in New Zealand, Australia, America, all over the continent, as different people from all over the world get involved in this space. Our equipment is built from a custom aluminium frame, which is specifically designed for international shipping to take a couple of knocks along the way. Ultimately, we pack things in an appropriate manner, and there's no restriction on where these devices can be sent. You ultimately just need a plug socket and an internet connection. Many places in the world, of course, have those two things. Other than maybe an adapter for the UK plugs which our equipment will be supplied with, that's about the only thing you might need to worry about. So we have many international clients. You can order online on our web shop, irrespective of the address. The only thing that's going to change is perhaps a slight difference in postage fee, but all of that can be arranged and worked out. Of course, for larger bulk orders, we can work out specialist invitations and specialist discounts, specialist shipping for those clients. So get in touch with us with those requirements. But whether you're in the UK, Argentina, Africa, America, Zimbabwe or Australia, anywhere in the world that you can deliver something to, you're going to be just fine ordering from us here at Easy Crypto Hunter.